Good morning from Bakersfield, California. Today we are going to be evaluating a couple of different HDMI to VGA adapters with my big fancy high-tech setup that I've got going, which technically is just a cell phone sitting on an Amazon box. Showing you my laptop and my television. I do not have my projector with me today, so I'm by myself. So I am trying to do the best I can to give you a demonstration of how these work. Forgive the raw, unedited examples of real life here. Early morning, the dog's chewing on the bones in the background, the baby in the swing getting ready to cry, and me not dressed up or fancy, no makeup, no hair, nothing. Pure morning mom, raw, ready to go, sharing how I prepare for a presentation that I have later tonight. So here is my adapter that I'm looking at. It is, I would not even know how to say it because I would butcher it, just like I butchered every name in school when I was teaching. But you can see we've got our HDMI port here, or our HDMI adapter. We've got our VGA on the other side, and you have your line in for your aux cable. This came with the aux cable, but I am not demonstrating that right now. I am just showing you from laptop to television. As my laptop is scanning in the background, we're looking for viruses there. You can see I've got my television set up. I have my VGA cable ready to go, and the TV is on. You just can't tell yet since it is not connected yet. So first thing we're going to do is demonstrate how easy it is to plug in. You see, I have no VGA ports anywhere on my laptop, so I needed a HDMI adapter desperately. So with my HDMI port, simply plug it in. That part's ready to go. The computer just picked it up. My VGA cable snaps right in. Obviously, there's no reason to have to screw these in, as you don't have a computer to screw them into. But you see, nice snug fit. And already on the TV, you can see my laptop screen top there with my safety scanner going, and it picked it up immediately. You see picture quality looks good. Let me turn it sideways, and hopefully that'll work on YouTube when it's actually posted. But you can see right there, good quality picture, and easily able to display from laptop to television. Let's try another one. So I have not only that one, let me get this set up. Okay. So we'll disconnect this one. Nice tight ports. I also have this style, a little bit bigger. Nope, there go the dogs. Gives us, oh, don't knock it over. Gives us a little bit more to work with. This one does have the little screws on it so that you can see it can connect and you don't have to worry about things coming unconnected there. Same thing, you've got your line out so that you can use your aux cord, and again, HDMI. So let's try this one out now. So once again, plug it in, simple to do. And make sure you have it facing the right direction so that it actually fits. If you want to screw them in, you can. And now this one, is not picking up. Go figure, we are not getting anything on that one. Okay, I have not tried that one. See if I did something wrong on my connection here. No. Interesting. Okay, well, that one might not be one I'll be using, if I can even get it unplugged now. We also have this version. So it's a female compared to the male. Well, actually, no, it's not. It's just sticking out compared to more recessed. They're still female here. Okay, so I will do it reverse this time. Once again, make sure they're in the right, facing the right direction, because my dogs are wanting to go out. Nice flush fit. Let's see if this one picks it up. Okay, attempt number 3. And there we go. So that one worked, and again, quality. Nice clear picture. No problems whatsoever there with the way it's displaying. Let's try this other one more time and just see what was going on. If maybe we can problem solve a little bit and troubleshoot this one. Maybe it was my connection was not. Oops. Come on. Early morning, gotta line them up right. Let's try screwing this one in. Make sure it's a nice tight connection on it. Nice. Okay. And plug it in as the dog walks across. And I think maybe. Interesting. Well, that one is not going to be one that I will be using. I believe that's one of my older styles that I've had, so it could just be that it's older and might be needing a cleaning. Let's go back, try this one last time. So, as the dog licks the box. Okay, and plug it into HDMI. The laptop back up so it can display. And voila! There we go. So that gives you an example of 3 different adapters. We have the one that I am not sure I will be using here. My older one, my original one. And then we have the other 2. Personally, I think I prefer the smaller one just because it's smaller and more convenient, less to have to carry, no cables to have to deal with. Though this one with the cable does give you the flexibility of being able to move your display, your adapter a little bit for your display. I will go ahead and close it off at this. As you can see, once again, perfect display, no problems, very easy to do. Anybody can just plug and play and get it going. And say hi to the puppies. They want to go out. Hi. And that's it for today. So thank you for watching.